right, WMC, thanks for the quick fill and payments. This is the video to find the winner of my TJ Watt, excuse me, mini helmet pick one. This is number 2. So we'll check the time, December 18th at 6:45 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have December 18th at 6:45 p.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 8 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Justin. Spot 18 is your winner. So, Justin, please get with me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, December 18th, 6:46 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.